What a super nice maintenance-free home and neighborhood. Lots of beautiful mature trees, lawn and landscaping taken care of. Snow removed off driveway, sidewalks and streets when 3+. Fresh outdoor paint on a 10-year cycle. Let the light shine in this wonderful well-maintained home. Light and bright throughout with plenty of room to entertain, have guests and game get-togethers with a large finished lower level. Walkout to oversized patio and nice deck graced with a colorful private wooded area. Double vanity, whirlpool tub, large walk-in closet in the primary bedroom that walks out to the deck. Also walk out on the covered porch and relax in the sweet swing with your favorite beverage. Lower level huge with approx 1,400 square feet finished. Plenty of space for separate living quarters or big get-togethers. Plenty of dining space to accommodate large dinners because it's not a confined space and open to the living room. Garage is set up with peg boards for tool space all around and has built-ins. Extra bench space on one side. All the necessities are here with space and time to just enjoy life. No hard work on the yard anymore. May want to customize the flooring or change the point, but you could move in today. Don't miss this opportunity. Price to sell.